Hi there, welcome to this video on vectors. So I'm just going to go through 3 exam questions, try and help you out for the exam. So we've got a fairly typical question, a triangle with 2 vectors A and B labelled on the diagram. So OAB is a triangle, OA is the vector A, OB is the vector B. We're being asked to find the vector AB in terms of A and B. So basically what we're saying is if we're here and we want to get to here, how could we describe it using these vectors? Well, we can go along here. If I use a highlighter to show you the route, so we go along there to get to there, and then along here, then we get to B. So to do that, we have to go in the opposite direction to this vector A. So we call that minus A. And then once we're here, we go along this vector, which is B, and it's positive B because it's going in the direction that the arrow shows. So that's how we'd describe the vector AB in terms of A and B. Okay, so more complicated question then. P is the point on AB such that AP is in the ratio to PB of 3 to 2. Show that OP is equal to 1/5 of this expression here, 2A plus 3B. Right. So what we need to do is we need to work out this vector here to get from O to P. We're given this information that's crucial. AP is in the ratio to PB of 3 to 2. So this is 3 parts and this is 2 parts. So the ratio is crucial to be able to work out the final part of this journey. So OP is going from here to here. Now we could either go along that route and back around if I get rid of the working for the last part of the question. So we can either go up there and down there or across here and up there. It doesn't matter which way we do this. So I'm going to just go this way. It doesn't really matter, as I say. So what I'm going to do is say that OP can be thought of as OB add BP. So that's what we're trying to do. Now obviously OB is very simple, it's just B. It's this bit here that we need to think about. So BP is basically a fraction of this vector here. Now we know that AB is minus A plus B. So BA is the opposite direction. So the signs are reversed. So it's A minus B. So if AB is minus A plus B, BA is A minus B. So BP is basically a fraction of that vector here. It's 2/5 because it's 2 parts of the 5 parts. So BP is 2/5 of BA, which is 2/5 of A minus B. So we've now worked out BP. We said that OB is straightforward, so let's continue with this working here. So OB is B, and BP, which we're adding on, is 2/5 A minus B. So this is B plus 2/5 A minus 2/5 B, which is 3/5 of B, not A, plus 2/5 of A. And if we just factorize a 5th out of there, then we've got 1/5 3B plus 2A, which is what we wanted here. Okay, the B's and the A's are the other way around, but it's the same thing. So that's that question done. So example 2. Same thing again. We've got a triangle OAB. We've got this vector given is 2A. This vector is given as 3B. So we're asked to find AB in terms of A and B. So AB is how do we get from here to here? Well, again, we're going to have to go the opposite direction to 2A, which is minus 2A or negative 2A. And then now we're here, we're going to go along here, which is plus 3B. So let's look at part B. So we're told that PB is a point on AB such that AP is in the ratio to PB of 2 to 3. So let's write that in. So this is 2 parts to this 3 parts. That's how that line is divided up. Show that OP is parallel to the vector A plus B. So basically what we're going to be showing is that OP is going to be some multiple of A plus B. So it might be 6A plus 6B or 2A plus 2B. But for it to be parallel, it needs to be a multiple of this. So let's write in O to P, or draw in O to P. So I'm going to use this direction. I'm going to go along here because we can only use known routes, and then along there. Now obviously we know what OA is, but we don't know yet exactly what AP is. Now let's just write AP here. AP is basically 2/5 of this whole line here. So it's 2/5 of this vector here. So 2/5 of that vector, we know that vector is this, is 2/5 of minus 2A plus 3B. Let's just tidy that up. So 2/5 of this gives me minus 4/5 of A plus 6/5 of B. So we've got that expression for AP. So what we're looking for, of course, is OP, and OP is OA plus AP. So just clarify that, that's OA to get to there, and then AP. We know that OA is 2A, and we know that AP is this expression here. So all we need to do now is collect like terms. So we've got 2A minus 4/5 A. Now 2A, let's write this here, 2A could be thought of as 10/5 of A. So I'm just going to write it in fifths so we can easily see these fractions. If I do 10/5 of A minus 4/5 of A, I'm left with 6/5 of A plus 6/5 of B. And if I factorise, then I've got 6/5 of A plus B. So now we've shown that these are parallel because it's a multiple of A plus B. So it'd be a good idea to write a statement down saying this is parallel to A plus B because it's a multiple of A plus B. And that's it. Okay, I hope that's helped.